the only right or wrong that exists is if it breaks the hair off.
I
If
agree.
it's breaking the hair off, and if so, the idea to judge and say, if you do this, that is absolutely wrong,
I
hard
stretched,
stop.
I stretched your mind a little bit on that art situation, huh?
Because I am a firm believer that there really is a service or a technique or a product out there for everybody. The only thing, what it comes down to, like, this is something I do with my clients all the time. Anytime a client will come in with their phone and be like, I want this, I never say, no, you can't have it. I always say, absolutely, we'll do this. So you're telling me then at home, you're going to start doing this. And I start rattling off 15, 20 different things that I know they don't normally do, have said to me in the past they'd never do. But I never say no to anybody. If you come and you spent the time as the client to research and think and get excited and get inspired, and then you're willing to come in and try to have that conversation with me, I don't want to kill that excitement or that momentum. I'm going to say, absolutely, let's go, let's do this. I can do this for you. So then you're going to do this to maintain it, yeah? And they're like, whoa, slow it down there, boy. Like, no, I ain't doing all that work to maintain this. I'm like, okay, option 2, let's bring you, instead of killing somebody's excitement, right? Bring them back down to reality on a soft landing, man. Don't let them crash. Don't crash and burn and pop their balloons.
Right, right.
Let them pop their own. It's more fun because now you're being encouraging. You're being the nurturing parent rather than the what's the word I'm looking for?
It does encourage education also and communication instead of just being a boss, a dictator.
Yeah, well, whatever the right word is that I'm trying to think of that I can't think of right now at the moment. But the point is, it's not about being soft. It's not about being anything. It's about having that conversation with your client, being a stylist, being the professional that we are, and letting them know this is what the consultation is all about.
Instead of slapping them in the face with your white gloves and saying, no, that is not for you.
Yeah. No soup for you, you know.
Right. That's what I was thinking of too.
Right? So that's where we're all at. All right, everybody.